wondered how professional videos are made? Well, it all begins with video editing. Video editing is the art of storytelling through the careful arrangement of video clips. It's the process that turns raw footage into an engaging narrative, a process that can make or break the final product. The importance of video editing in creating professional videos cannot be overstated. It's the magic behind the scenes that can turn a simple video into a compelling story, a funny clip into a viral sensation, or a heartfelt message into a tearjerker. And that's exactly what this video is about. We're here to break down the process of video editing into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking for a refresher or a novice eager to learn, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you will understand the process of video editing and be able to apply it to your own projects. Before diving into the process, it is crucial to understand the tools used in video editing. Just like a carpenter wouldn't be able to build a house without a hammer and nails, a video editor needs the right software to create a polished, professional video. There are a variety of software options available, each with its own set of strengths and weaknesses. Some are more user-friendly, perfect for beginners, while others offer a greater range of capabilities, suitable for experienced editors. Let's start with Adobe Premiere Pro. Known for its comprehensive features and versatility, Premiere Pro is a favorite among professionals. It's compatible with both Mac and Windows, and it integrates well with other Adobe products. However, it does come with a steep learning curve and a higher price tag. Then we have Final Cut Pro, a powerful tool exclusive to Mac users. It's known for its speed, especially when handling 4K video, but it's less flexible when it comes to collaborating with other software. And like Premiere Pro, it's not the easiest to learn. For those on a budget, DaVinci Resolve is a great option. It offers robust color grading and audio editing tools. Its free version is surprisingly comprehensive, but the interface can be overwhelming for novices. Now, let's talk about the common features found in most video editing software. Almost all of them have a timeline where you can arrange your clips, effects, and transitions. They also have a preview window to view your work in progress. Most software will provide tools for color correction, audio editing, and adding text or graphics. Some more advanced features you might find include multi-camera editing, 3D editing, and motion tracking. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to video editing software. It all depends on your needs, budget, and level of expertise. Sometimes it's worth spending a little more for advanced features, while other times a simple, user-friendly interface may be all you need. Choosing the right tools is the first step in becoming a proficient video editor. Once you have your tools ready, the next step is organizing your footage. Picture this. You're in the midst of a complex project with hours of footage to sift through. Wouldn't it be a dream if everything were neatly sorted and labeled? That's where organizing your footage comes into play. Think of it as the foundation of your editing process. By sorting and labeling, you're essentially creating a roadmap that guides you through the editing journey. This not only makes the process smoother, but also saves you precious time. Imagine knowing exactly where to find that perfect shot without having to scrub through hours of footage. That's the power of organization. Moreover, it allows you to structure your narrative more effectively, ensuring that your story flows seamlessly from start to finish. And remember, a well-organized project is easier to navigate, review, and revise. Proper organization sets the foundation for an efficient editing process. Now that your footage is organized, it's time to dive into basic editing techniques. Our first stop is trimming. Think of trimming like a sculptor chipping away at a block of marble. It's all about removing the excess to reveal the masterpiece within. Trimming allows you to shorten a clip, cut out unnecessary parts, and shape your video to its optimal length. It's a delicate process, but with practice, you'll develop a keen eye for what needs to stay and what can go. Next up is cutting. Cutting is a bit more precise than trimming. Imagine you're a surgeon with a scalpel, making incisions at just the right moments. With cutting, you can remove entire sections of a clip, or even split one clip into two. This gives you the flexibility to rearrange scenes, alter the pacing, or remove unwanted content entirely. Now, let's talk about sequencing. Sequencing is the art of arranging your clips to tell a compelling story. It's like piecing together a puzzle. Each clip is a puzzle piece, and it's your job to find where it fits in the grand scheme of your video. With effective sequencing, you can guide your viewer through the narrative, build suspense, and create a satisfying conclusion. These techniques, trimming, cutting, and sequencing, are your bread and butter as a video editor. They allow you to shape the raw footage into a cohesive and engaging narrative, much like a writer crafts a story from a blank page. But remember, these techniques are tools, not rules. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to video editing. Each project is unique, and it's up to you to decide how best to use these techniques to achieve your vision. So, experiment. Play around with different approaches. See what works and what doesn't. It's through this process of trial and error that you'll truly master the art of video editing. Understanding these basic techniques is key to bringing your vision to life. With the basics under your belt, we can move on to more advanced editing techniques. Let's dive into the world of color grading. This is where you can truly bring your footage to life, creating mood and enhancing the visual storytelling. You can adjust the saturation, contrast, shadows, and highlights, giving your footage a unique feel. For instance, a warmer color grading can make your scene feel cozy and inviting, while a cooler color grading can evoke a sense of tension or mystery. Next up, we have special effects. These are the cherries on top of your editing sundae, adding that extra sparkle to your videos. Think of special effects like slow motion, fast forward, or even reversing your footage. You can also use visual effects like adding fire, rain, or snow to your scenes. Remember, less is more. Use effects to enhance your story, not to overwhelm it. Transitions are another crucial element in advanced editing. They are the bridges between your scenes, guiding your audience from one moment to the next. There are countless transitions to choose from: fades, wipes, dissolves, and many more. Each transition has its own vibe and can significantly impact the flow of your video. A smooth dissolve might suggest a gentle passage of time, while a sharp cut can indicate a sudden shift in mood or scene. Lastly, let's talk about sound design. This is often overlooked, but it's a powerful tool in your editing arsenal. Sound effects can heighten the emotion of a scene, from the subtle rustling of leaves to the dramatic boom of an explosion. Background music sets the overall tone of your video, while dialogue editing ensures your characters' voices are clear and compelling. Mastering these techniques allows you to add depth and complexity to your videos. Advanced editing is a journey, an exploration of your creative potential. It's about experimenting, learning, and growing as an editor. Remember, every great editor started from the basics, so take your time, practice, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Finally, once you're happy with your edit, it's time to add the final touches and export your video. Now, what does this entail? Well, let's delve into it. Sound editing is one of these final touches. It is often overlooked, but it can make a world of difference. It's the polish that gives your video that professional feel. Whether it's background music, sound effects, or just the right mix of dialogues, the right sound can enhance the story you're telling. So don't forget to spend some time fine-tuning the audio. Next up, we have titles and subtitles. A catchy title can draw your viewers in, while subtitles can make your content accessible to a wider audience. So consider adding them if appropriate. Remember, your title should encapsulate the essence of your video, and subtitles should be clear and readable. Now, once you've added these final touches, it's time to export your video. But wait, there are various exporting options. Which one should you choose? Well, it depends on where you intend to share your video. If you're uploading to a platform like YouTube, you'd want to export in high definition, say 1080p or even 4K. However, if it's for an email or a smaller file size is crucial, you might want to scale back the quality a bit. In any case, make sure you select the right format. MP4 is a common choice as it's widely supported and offers good quality, but there are other options too, like MOV or AVI, depending on your needs. Lastly, remember to preview your video one final time after exporting. There's nothing worse than noticing a mistake after you've already shared your video, so take a moment to ensure everything is just as you want it. And there you have it, your video is ready to share with the world. You've planned, organized, edited, added the final touches, and exported a professional video. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and watch the views roll in.